ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Dork side. As you can see, we are not on the bike. We are, in fact, in my man cave / garage. See my lovely cigar lounge that you may have heard about in the $6 man cave video I made a year ago. And I am super excited because I just got a package from RevZilla.com. And when a package from RevZilla.com appears on your porch, you know awesomeness is about to ensue. So, inside the package was my brand new, it's Givi or Givi? I want it to be Givi windscreen for my Versys 650. Look at how much bigger it is than the stock one. Look at that. Because I'm getting, you may have noticed it in the videos, wow, that doesn't line up exactly right, but I'm getting a lot of buffeting, way more than I had on the CB, which is funny because the CB has way less windscreen. I think it's because I'm just right in the zone at the top. So I've read fantastic reviews of this windscreen. That's a little bit ridiculously tall, but it's a small price to pay to be a little bit more comfortable. So I'm thinking I might put this on. Tools you're going to need. This is a 5/32 T-handle wrench. That is an Allen key. It's not exactly the right size because I'm guessing this is metric, but it fits, see? And it turns the thing. And that's all we're really after. So that's what I'm going to use because that's what I had in my hand. Supposedly, and there's no instructions in the box, supposedly you just use all the stock mounting hardware and you just put it where your stock windscreen was. So you just take all this apart, unscrew it all the way. Kawasaki screen is pretty slick in the way that it works, but it is not high enough for what you need. Alright, so what's coming out of there? I got the back. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. All of that, and then there's one washer on the front. So I'm going to put that back on there so I have it all together. So help me remember that washer's on the front. The advantage of filming it is I can go back and look at it if I need to. Okay, let's take off the other one. Should be the same drill, theoretically. Again, I'm sorry about the light. I'm in my garage. It's actually daytime, but my neighbors are outside, and I'm talking to myself and wearing a GoPro on my head. So as much as I want them to think I'm a lunatic, I thought maybe best to let them labor under the delusion that I'm normal for a while longer. So that's off. Back on here. Simple enough so far, which scares me. All right, so we'll just take these off. Oh, shit. We'll put this on the windscreen. Yeah, look at that. Okay, cool. It comes right off. I was not prepared. I've been cleaning out my garage and moving stuff around, so I don't normally have this much clutter. Sitting right here on the bench, you just caught me on a good day. Really, I caught myself because I'm the idiot that decided to film this, but whatever. Alright, so, new windscreen. Let's not scratch it, please. Old windscreen. Somewhat of a significant difference. You see that? Obviously, I haven't done this before, and I'm super well prepared, so apologies. I don't even know if I can edit out the level of buffoonery I'm displaying at the moment. Buffoonery is a good word. I'm going to try to work that one into my daily conversations a little more. Alright, let's take this one off. Side shouldn't matter, right? It should be a straightforward removal. There's a little plastic rubber, a little clear rubber washer underneath it. That's a good thing. I'm showing a lot of trust in you guys because I'm not a mechanic, and nor do I feel good about my mechanical aptitude as I drop the thing. So, it's pretty brave of me to be inviting you in to watch me do this right now. Seriously, because I am not good at this shit. I'm really good at fucking it up. I'll tell you that much. Alright, so that was just on here like this. Yeah. And then comes through from the other side with this thing. So let's just get those started so we don't lose them. Makes sense, yeah. Sure, okay. This will keep me from losing them. One thing I know about myself is if I set something down, at least 50% of the time, I have no idea where it is. So if I can put it where it goes immediately, I feel a lot better about it. One down. One to go. Nothing's exploded so far, so far so good. Alright, can you see that? Nope, it's just out of the edge. So I'm unscrewing this one. Same drill. Okay, and the plastic thing's coming off. I'm going to save it over here. Now this screw, bolt, nut, bolt, screw, what the hell it is? Fastening device. Oh no, see the little plastic dealy bob came off the back there, so I gotta put that back on. That's okay. We were prepared for that because we noticed it before because we were paying attention. Stock windscreen. I love you, but I'm gonna put you over here and put that on like that because that's where it was. Okay, and this one goes here. So I'll put these through from the other side. It's pretty good. So how do you guys? I definitely do more mechanic-y type things since I started riding. I've never been huge on working on things, but I haven't paid anyone to do anything to my bikes yet, except for I did have a tire mounted and balanced. The new tire on the CB, but the 2 tires I just put on the CRF, Duck Fan and I did those. All my mods I've done, windscreen, hand guards, all that stuff we did. Skid plate, I put all those on myself. So when you guys got into motorcycling, did you find yourself doing more mechanic-y type things? Alright, so I think we can tighten these down a little bit, because the next step is going to be to put it on the bike. Ooh, okay, stay still, you butthole. I heard this part can be a little tricky, so I'm not going to go crazy tight on these because I don't want to crack the acrylic. And they weren't very tight on the other side. I'm tightening this one down. Snug, not super tight. Get them on the bike. If I get paranoid, I can make them a little tighter. Alright, back to the bike. So it goes like this, with this thing on top of the slider. Let's put it on and see. I read that sometimes you need 3 hands for this, so let's see if I can do it by myself. Really, we just have to get the thing through. Oop, got it like a boss. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. So that later, I don't remember where it is. There it is. And this comes through from the back side. Totally on the back? Like that. That's how it goes. Okay. Okay. Slide on slide. That's what it is. Okay, in the groove. You probably can't see that, but put it in the groove. Okay, and then put the thing. It goes like sideways. I'm just going to get the other side started and then worry about positioning it. Third hand would be really handy right now. Motorcycle, you're not supposed to be moving. Get back in the groove, you asshole. Third hand indeed. Okay, that's on. Okay, this. Gotta get it started, that's all. Okay, okay. It's started, baby. It's started. Good, good. I think that popped in where I wanted it to. Same drill. Let's just see if we can get it started and then worry about positioning. Fairly confident that this thing goes on the bottom because of the way it fits over this piece. See? This is the outside, obviously. The washer goes underneath it. And do you see how this little washer thing slides on top of that piece? That's how it goes. So you got to make sure you get it that way before you tighten it down. This should be easier because I at least have the other side being held, right? Oh, but the handlebar's in the way, so extra degree of difficulty. There we go. Okay. Good. Washer. No, don't fall. Be my friend. Yeah, third hand would be real handy right now. And just get it started. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Now she's started. Okay, so this has to pop up into the groove. See the groove there? And the bottom thing's got to be in it. Let's do this side first. So it's in the groove. I'm going to tighten this down a little bit more so we can work with it. Okay, now. Yeah, see this? It pops in like that. Right into the groove. And then you tighten it down. Okay, this is relatively painless. So, do you see how that sits? Right with the circle, and then the thing is, the width of the inside bolt is parallel to the ground. The wide part. That's how you know it's good. Okay, I keep trying to put things in my mouth so I can hold them, but then I can't talk. So that's boring. I'm just going to tighten this down enough to be able to get on a hold of it. And I'm probably going to do this one. You see, it's right, but the other part isn't. It's not popped in there. Do you see the difference? That one's popped in. This one is not. Got to turn like that, and then the slider thing is not lined up right. I bet. There we go. I tightened it down and it popped in. It's on, baby. It's on. All right, let's put it on. So this is all the way down pretty much. So that's what it looks like at the bottommost position, lowest, which I'll try it on when I ride it because I don't want it up any farther than it has to be. I definitely want to be able to get behind it. But you can put it all the way up to there. That went on actually fairly painlessly. I'm pretty impressed. Good work, Givi, or Givi. I'm sure it's Givi. Givi? Wow. It looks kind of dumb. The FZ09 video, I was making fun of the windscreen, and then I went out and bought one for the bike I bought. But the buffeting is unbelievable on this bike, so dang, that is a big windscreen. This is an old man bike now. All right, well, I may do a ride test on this, but that's going to do it for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, do not forget to be excellent to each other. If you have any questions about the installation, please leave them. Thank you. Excellent!